In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix the HyperX Cloud 2 mic static. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to unplug the HyperX USB sound card. This is going to be the most important step on this instruction or in this video. You want to plug the headset directly into your PC's 3.5mm jacks. Basically, we have green for headphones, pink for microphone. You can also use the splitter cable. If you don't know what the 3.5mm jack is, it's going to simply go ahead and look something like this. Now you want to plug your headphones to green. Basically, you want to test your microphone from there. If the static is gone, basically the USB dongle is bad, which is really common for the HyperX headsets right here. If the static continues, it means that we can head over to our step or second step. From there, we also want to fix Windows mic settings. Basically, Windows add noise and distortion by default. So you want to right click on the speaker icon, which you can find on the system tray right here. You want to click on the open sound settings, navigate through the input options, and then inside this page you then want to look for your microphone. So in my case, I'm using my microphone right here. If you saw your microphone heading over to high levels, you want to reduce it into something like 70 to 80 decibels, and you want to set the microphone boost to 0 decibels. So you just want to head over to, once again, the input option, click on the app volume and device preferences for some Windows, or you can just head over to the sound control panel directly. And from here, we then have our recording, our microphone, and then you want to click on properties. You have to click on levels, and then you can just adjust this the way you want to. Now from there, you also want to set the correct format. Now on the microphone, once again, you want to head over to the advanced option, and in here you want to set it to 16-bit 48,800 megahertz, which is the studio quality. You want to click on apply and click on OK. Basically from there, this will mostly fix the static issue, but if not, this basically means that your Cloud 2 static is broken on the USB dongle side or the analog jock side. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guide to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.